Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am discuss important political science question answer which is helps to all state exam SSC and next CPT 2021 exam. So start kariba ajira first question. The correct nomenclature of India according to the preamble is option A sovereign secular democratic republic, option B sovereign democratic republic, option C sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, option D sovereign secular socialist democracy. Right answer option C sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Next question. India is a democratic republic because option A there is independence of judiciary, option B the head of the state is elected by the people, option C there is distribution of powers between the center and the states, option D there is parliamentary supremacy. Right answer option C there is distribution of powers between the center and states. Next question. The preamble of our constitution, option A is a part of the constitution, option B contains the spirit of the constitution, option C is a limitation upon the granted power, option D both A and B. Right answer option D both A and B. Next question. Which of the following is not a part of the preamble to the Indian Constitution? Option A secularism, option B socialism, option C democratic republic, option D federalism. Right answer option D federalism. Next question. The source of India's sovereignty lies in the option A President, option B Prime Minister, option C People of India, option D Preamble to the Constitution. Right answer option D Preamble to the Constitution. Next question. Who among the following moved the objectives resolution which formed tiles basis of the Preamble of the Constitution of India in the Constituent Assembly on December 13, 1946? Option A Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, option B Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option C Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, option D Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Right answer option D Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. The Constitution of India is republican because it option A provides for an elected parliament, option B provides for adult franchise, option C contains a bill of rights, option D has no hereditary elements. Right answer option D has no hereditary elements. Next question. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from option A England, option B USA, option C Canada, option D France. Right answer option A England. Next question. The Indian Constitution comprise of option A 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules, option B 371 articles, 21 parts and 11 schedules, option C 372 articles, 20 parts and 7 schedules, option D 381 articles, 23 parts and 80 schedules. Right answer option A 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. Next question. From which of the countries Constitution of India has adopted fundamental duties? Option A USA, option B Canada, option C erstwhile USSR, option D UK. Right answer option C USSR. Next question. The word socialist was added to the preamble. Its main aim is to option A eliminate inequality in economic and political status, option B eliminate inequality in political and religious affairs, option C eliminate inequality in income and status and standard of life, Option D, eliminate class-based society. Right answer, option A, eliminate inequality in economic and political status. Next question, the part of the constitution that reflects the mind and ideal of the framers is option A, directive principle, option B, fundamental rights, option C, preamble, option D, citizenship. Right answer, option C, preamble. Next question, which of the following determines that the Indian Constitution is federal? Option A, written and rigid constitution, option B, an independent judiciary, option C, vesting of presidiary powers with the centre, option D, distribution of powers between the centre and states. Right answer, option D, distribution powers between centre and states. Next question, the Indian Constitution is regarded as option A, federal, option B, unitary, option C, parliamentary, option D, federal in form and unitary in spirit. Right answer, option D, federal in form and unitary spirit. Next question, right to constitutional remedies comes under option A, fundamental rights, option B, legal rights, option C, constitutional rights, option D, natural rights. Right answer, option A, fundamental rights. Next question, if an Indian citizen is denied a public office because of his religion, which of the following fundamental rights is denied to him? Option A, right to freedom, option B, right to equality, option C, right to freedom of religion, option D, right against exploitation. Right answer, option B, right to equality. Thank you.